come on. Everybody gather around, gather around, gather around, gather around. Today we have a lesson. Today we have a lesson. I know y'all heard Discord in the background, but today we're gonna look. I'm gonna teach y'all how to set up task on Soul AIO. Look, I've been receiving a lot of questions about Soul. Soul is one of the bots that's on the way up. You know what I'm saying? I received like four or five questions from people about Soul. I received about 3 of them about Balco. So let's class is in session. All right, let's get to it. So first, let me just what I have to do is I actually have to screen record, you know. All right, class is in session. Well, all right, man. First, let me clear these tasks from here. We're gonna start fresh with creating the task. Actually, I'm just gonna take y'all through the whole thing. Let's just get straight to it. All right. So you have your task tab, you have your proxies tab, your billing tab, your settings tab, and your advanced tab, which you can put your information about shipping and your accounts in your advanced tab. So you see right here, I have Kith and DSM US. Those are the ones that I was running on here, and I needed the shipping to click in quick as possible. So I didn't feel like it thinking about what the shipping rate and all that. So yeah. And then you have your harvester right here. So this is for your captures. You can do harvest, which is just reset it. Then you can do YouTube, you can get your score, and you can just reset it. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna put that off for a second. Alright, so go to tasks. We're gonna add a new task. I'm gonna add a task for Supreme. Alright, so let's keep on going. You know, we're gonna do Supreme. Let's do bags, just for example. And then we're gonna do big space duffel. Big space duffel. So remember, you gotta put a comma in there too. So when you put your comma, do space. I haven't tried to do it without the space. I just always do it with the space. I do know the gold is in stock, right? And for size, this is very important. I think your size cannot be random. It has to be one size. So when your size is random, I don't think it actually clicks in. For mode, we're gonna do normal mode. We could do browser, but we're gonna stick with normal. Add to cart delay. No anti-bot protection up right now, so we're just gonna keep it at 200. Quantity, just gonna keep it at 1. Proxies. We made it to proxies. We're gonna use Supreme proxies. You know, / Supreme proxies. These are not DC proxies. These are actually Resi proxies. I know in the past I said to use DC proxies, but / has some decent Supreme proxies, and yeah, I think I just uploaded these to just test Soul out. But yeah, we're gonna use / Supreme proxies, right? Profile, take it off my homie David. Gonna test profile, right? So the test profile, always remember, you're not gonna get a checkout. You're either gonna get payment declined or order not submitted, something like that. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to add the task, and also what we're going to do, I'm just gonna do that. Let's just keep it simple. Alright, so as you see here, this is what our task dashboard looks like. Pretty simple, pretty easy, no timer set. It's idle right now. Let me go and get my capture harvester ready. Let me put this down here because you're gonna need that. All right, I'm gonna start the task. Found product. Look, it's doing everything on its own. Look at it, killing it. You know what I'm saying? Killing it. I ain't even have to enter. Look, I didn't even have to enter captures because I had one clicks. And you see right here it says checkout failed. Checkout failed because this is a test. It's a test with profile. So of course the checkout's gonna fail because it's a fake card number. As you see, look, one clicks. We getting one clicks. But I'm gonna stop that. While it's stopping, go to the proxies. Alright. So y'all ain't gonna be able to see my proxies anyways. But I'm gonna show you how to add proxies. So what you want to do is you want to add group, and you're gonna change it from unnamed group, and you're gonna give it a group. You're gonna do fake proxy, blah 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 blah, and then you're gonna go to add proxies, and we're gonna do 122 that, and we're just gonna type that in, and we're gonna hit add, and now you have proxies. But pretty much what you can do, man, copy from the proxies that you generate, come over here, paste them, give them a name, because I like grouping my proxies together, so if I do cop, I know what proxies I cop with, and not just have like a ton of proxies just mixed all in one. And then you have to go on Twitter and tag by like 4 or 5 different proxy companies, and you tagging 4 companies that proxies are probably not even good. Yeah, I know, you right there, you be doing that. It's alright though. Look, that's why I'm here. I'm here to help you. Break it down. Don't put slash, shy, red dirt, surge process. Don't put them processes all together and then just start running tasks. Break them things down, man. It makes it easy, makes it simple, and it helps people out there who on YouTube when they see the success and everything. Stop giving these folks fake success. Stop boosting these proxy companies. Some of these proxy companies ain't even worth buying. For real. But moving along. Like I said, then we got our billing. I'm not gonna show you the billing. You got your settings. Default profile should not be that. This should be the default profile. This is my Discord information. My retry delay is right now it's at 8888. Just because I was running restocks and I wasn't trying to get banned. And monitor delay is at 7777. Yeah, but usually what I do is 30 minutes before the drop, I always like to, not 30 minutes, I'm sorry, 30 seconds. I always like to take my delays from being probably like 11,000, 12,000 and drop them down. When 15 seconds hit before the drop, I'd like to drop them down to like 2,222 or 2,222 or like 1,300 and 1,200, something like that. Just so it can pick up the pace on everything. And then I like to just have it, I guess some of it is duplicating cookies in order to pull from the website so it can speed things up. But yeah, I mean, that's it for this video, man. That's how you create a task. That's how you add proxies. I'm hoping you guys know how to do webhooks. As you can see, my girl just texted me, blah. I'll get her, text her back. Not blah, not like that. That's my baby. Yeah, as you can see, this is everything that goes on. Capture, I haven't figured out how to work this, the AutoSolve API key, because I haven't even figured out how to work AYCD. I'm paying for that a month, and I don't even know how to work it. I don't like that, but I'm gonna learn eventually. I like it just to have it because I can jig my address and all that stuff on there. But anyways, make sure you guys like this video, man. Leave in the comments, let me know if I need to touch on something else about AIO, man. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram and Twitter, jdonis901. If you don't want to leave comments on YouTube, feel free to DM me. No homo, but you just feel free, man. I'm always open to hear from you guys. Or if you think that I can do something better, let me know. I mean, I'm not perfect, you know. I'm not perfect. You know, I make mistakes. So, with all that being said, man, appreciate the support, man. Peace, love, and happiness, man. And your boy is out. It's